Do you find yourself constantly battling with dandruff, desperately searching for a solution? Dandruff can be really annoying, making our scalp itchy and our confidence low. But don't worry, because today, we're going to deal with this problem directly. Hello all, welcome back to our channel. If you've been struggling with dandruff, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore what causes dandruff, its effects on our scalp health, and most importantly, I'll share with you a simple DIY neem hair pack that can help you bid farewell to those flakes for good. But first, let's understand what exactly causes dandruff. Dandruff can be caused by a variety of factors, including dry skin, excessive oil production, fungal infections, and even certain hair products. Stress and diet can also play a significant role. So, what are the effects of dandruff on our scalp and overall hair health? Well, aside from the obvious flakes on your clothes, dandruff can lead to itchiness, irritation, and inflammation of the scalp. It can also contribute to hair fall and make your hair look dull and lifeless. But worry not, because I'm about to share with you a fantastic solution to combat dandruff naturally. Introducing the DIY Neem Hair Pack. Neem is known for its powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an excellent remedy for dandruff. To make this hair pack, all you need are a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Neem leaves or Conti Herbals neem powder, yogurt, and a honey, all it takes to create this magical potion. Now, take required amount of Conti Herbals neem powder depend on the hair length. Now add required amount of curd and mix it well. Now add 2 spoons of honey and mix it well. Make sure there is no lumps on it. Now our magical neem hair pack is ready to apply. Before applying comb it, well, we suggest to use neem wood comb. Now let's apply the neem hair pack to your scalp. Make sure you apply to hair roots. Apply evenly all over the head. Leave it on for about 45 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Incorporate this into your hair care routine regularly and watch as your dandruff disappears, leaving behind healthy, flake-free hair. And there you have it, folks. Say goodbye to dandruff with this simple yet effective DIY neem hair pack. Don't let those flakes hold you back any longer. Give this remedy a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving healthy, beautiful hair. Until next time, take care.